Hello everyone, today we will learn how to download and set up Oracle SQL Developer on our computer. First of all, we should type SQL Developer and we will see the Oracle official website and click the downloads. And after that you will see the operating systems. You can choose whatever you have. I have Windows 64-bit and I will click download link and check the license agreement and click the download button, and it requires signing in, and if you don't have any account you can click the create account button and you can type your credentials and the other information, but I have the account. And after that you can click the sign in and it will start downloading, and I will pause the video now, and it may take time depending on your connection. And yeah, it's ready. You can click, and it is a zip file. We should extract this folder. You can copy this one, and I will go to the here. I will paste, and also it will take time. It's ready now. Double click and you can see the exe file, and double click on it. It says, would you like to import preferences from previous SQL developer? You can say no. And yeah, you can uncheck this one. And okay, now it's ready. You can add your databases from here. You can type your username, password, hostname, port, and you can first test the connection, and after that you can connect, and it will shown here. It will be shown here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.